Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Street Key, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, before I get started, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's going on, family? Listen, all right, I want to talk to y'all today about the time I made my first commission and how I did it. Okay, you see me on Facebook right now, so I know a lot of you all are thinking, okay, he about to show us how he did it on Facebook. Well, here's the thing. I was trying to do it on Facebook like everyone else was doing it on Facebook, right? I wasn't getting any attention, wasn't getting any leads, you know, maybe one or two, but not really enough to say, okay, I think I got the hang of this thing. No, I really had to figure it out. But then it dawned on me, okay? How was I introduced to this opportunity? How did I find out about it? All right, I found out about it through video. All right, it wasn't a Facebook post that intrigued me, all right, to get involved with this opportunity. It was a video. And this was back in 2013, I believe. 2013. All right, a video. Well, Facebook Live wasn't out then, but you could still upload videos. And the guy uploaded a video on his Facebook page. All right, so many people were commenting on it. We wasn't even friends. All right, but so many people was commenting on it. And I believe he tagged a friend of mine. All right, and it ended up on their timeline, and I seen it, and I reached out to the guy. Okay, so how do you think I made my first commission? I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is going to trip you out. All right, and I might play just a little bit of it just to show you, but give me just a second. Okay, I have several videos to go through here. All right, so you know what? I'm going to pause for just a second. I'll be right back. It's going to take me a minute to pull up. I have several videos on YouTube now. Your boy been working. 1 second. All right, y'all. I'm back. So look, man, look. I really got excited just going down memory lane, going through all those videos. All right, it took me a minute. That's why I went ahead and just paused it real quick so I can get exactly to the video. But really went down memory lane. I got excited all over again. All right, just looking at it. But here's my first video. As you can see, 5 years ago, I put up a post and told you I've been involved in network marketing now for over 5 years. This is how I made my first commission. 798 views. All right, but I did what attracted me. All right, listen. Some of you all are waiting for the perfect time, waiting to have the perfect camera. You know, waiting for the perfect scenery. You can tell this is dark. I didn't know what I was doing. Right, I just did it. My first video ever. Check this out. I'm not going to play the whole video, but check this out. Wow, man. This is really taking me down memory lane here. This is crazy. Let me take the ad off. Give me just a second. Crazy. All right. Hello, world, ladies and gentlemen. 1 second, y'all. This is LaDerrick Williams. I'm with the Top This Money. It's loading like crazy. Y'all give me just a second. Let me get this thing right. Like I told you, I'm not going to play the whole video, but check this out. Hello, world, ladies and gentlemen. This is LaDerrick Williams. I'm with the Top This Money team, independent contractor for MCA. Now, if you're watching this video right now, you're interested in making money. I wanted to make this short video. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. Just to clear any doubt in your mind about this being a scam. I know every time we hear work from home business, we automatically think it's a scam. All right, y'all. For whatever reason, because I'm recording and this is playing, I don't know. It don't want to act right. But y'all kind of get the gist. I don't know. Let me just play. I'm gonna play it real quick. I want y'all to just listen to something in the background. No, this is not a scam. This is a $40. I tell y'all what, y'all just. You're investing in the business. Y'all just pause, play, catch it from the beginning because it's doing too much buffering right now. But y'all can hear the music in the background. So I was actually playing music from my TV. Now I've always had that. The thing about videos that I love, and the videos that are most engaging to me, are the videos with music behind them. All right, I've always been musically inclined. Music is a big passion of mine. I actually used to do music back in my younger Hayden. I mean, I say I did it on a big scale, songs on the radio, things of that nature. But I don't need to get in there right now. I might share that with you all another time. But I was definitely on when it came to music. But the videos I used to love watching, or that kept me intrigued with the music videos with music behind them. So, and then also I seem more comfortable with talking behind the music, all right, because it just brought me back to the studio life, you know, and rapping, things of that nature. Like I get in a comfortable place when I hear music, all right, because like I said, it's a passion of mine. It's a gift that I have, and it's like through my entire family, man, on both sides. Like we just musically inclined and we love music, so that makes me comfortable, y'all. But to make a long story short, this is how I got on with MCA, all right, with this particular company, okay, was through a video. And so while I'm sitting here trying to put up the post and the mediocre training that was given, it wasn't working right away, okay? Now here's the thing. As I start to build that know, like, and trust, as I start to get that credibility, then I was able to start putting up Facebook posts, and people will see it, and automatically they trust me, and automatically they see the consistency and would start to join me through Facebook posts and video. But see, first it started with me doing video. So a lot of you all right now, you want to make that first commission, I don't care what company you're with. All right, I'm not basing this off of one company. I'm basing this off of whatever you're doing online. If you want to make that first commission, I can assure you it will happen for you sooner if you shoot a video. Not saying it's going to happen right away, but I'm saying it can happen for you sooner if you drop the pride, put the ego to the side, let that fear go, that false evidence appearing real. All right, you can let that go. All right, get outside yourself and say, you know what, I'm gonna do whatever it takes. Yeah, I'm afraid of this camera right now. All right, yeah, I'm not comfortable with speaking in front of a camera right now. Yeah, I'm worried about how I talk, how I speak. But you know what, I'm gonna do it anyway. All right, listen, you see how dark that is? All right, you see how dark that is? I wish it would play a little bit better, man. Like if I was off of this video, it just plays. Like when I paused it, it was just playing. But because I have both running, for some reason, right now it doesn't want to play. I've done it before and it works fine. So I don't know what the deal is. But anyway, you can see it. If you want to check it out for yourself, you see the video. Type in my name, Ladere Williams, and go to MCA Changing Lives Daily. You can see my first video ever that I've ever done. Ever. All right, ever. All right. Facebook, YouTube, ever. This was the first video. I said, you know what? I got to do what they're doing. All right. I was looking at all the winners. You got to think about what the winners are doing right now. Whatever company you're in right now, think about what they're doing. Think about how you got attracted to them. How did you find them? You found them through video, right? You found them through video. Okay. And so you're going to have to do the same thing. And you're going to have to do more of it. You're going to have to be consistent. I have hundreds of videos now. All right. All because I seen that this worked. When I shot that video and started to get that attention, people hit me up and say, hey, I seen your video. I'm going to join. It changed my life. And when I received that first commission, it was game over from there. I knew at that point that my flag was planted, not per se in this company, all right, which this company treated me good, but you know, everybody know I'm not going to get into what MCA did to change the commission, but I knew my flag was planted in this industry. I knew that I would be making money online for the rest of my life, all right? I knew I would be getting some form of internet money for the rest of my life. What? I shot a video and I got paid? I didn't have to go to work and clock in and do it. Oh man, that's life changing. That's life changing. So for all you all out there struggling right now, and whatever network marketing company you're in, or direct sales, or affiliate program, whatever you're doing right now, you haven't made that first commission. Keep going. But I'm gonna tell you this: if you really want to be successful at this thing, if you really are ready to start earning some income, shoot a video, and then shoot another one, and then shoot another one, and then shoot another one. This is your first video. It may not be all it's caked up to be, all right? But you're going to get better. You are going to get better. Trust me, I have gotten 10 times better. I wish this video could play. All right, I sound scripted. All right, but I was doing a whole lot of thinking. Now I just talk and just let it flow. And if I mess up, I mess up. It's cool. All right, I'm not the one who edit. Man, if I mess up, sneeze or whatever, I leave the video going. I have to seriously get a brain fog where I'm just like, I gotta do the video over. You know, but for the most part, I let it ride. I let it ride, man. But this literally changed my life, my first commission. And I had the reason why I shot this video, because I think a lot of people need to remember, if you're struggling in any business you are in right now, do what got you in the business, because that's what's going to get someone else in the business. How did you sign up? What attracted you? What made you say, okay, you know what, I'm going to reach in my pocket, pull out my 16-digit credit card number, debit card number, and join this opportunity? All right? What was it? Then you need to go duplicate that. Is it going to happen right away? No, it can, but it might not. But don't let that discourage you. It takes repetition. You got to do this thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. And eventually it's going to work out for you, okay? It's eventually going to work in your favor, all right? So with that being said, man, I hope you all got some value from this, man. Like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you are in network marketing, you know, tell me, how did you get involved with network marketing? What was that defining thing, all right, that made you join an opportunity? What was it? What was it that made you get involved with that opportunity? All right, and whatever that is, you need to go do it. Like I said, you might not be an expert at it. You might not be able to do it the way they did it, but you just do it and continue to do it. Last little nugget that I tell my team when it comes to videos, I'm going to be stressing videos to you all so much because my mentor did it to me. Your smartphone is the best camera you can use right now. Don't worry about trying to go get the Canons and the Polaroids and the Nikons and don't worry about all that right now. You have the best camcorder in the world right now, which is your smartphone. And the beautiful thing about it is you don't have to go live unless you want to go live. You can create hundreds of rough drafts. Why? Because it's a rough draft until you hit upload. Until then, you just got the hundreds of rough drafts inside your camcorder, inside your portfolio. All right? Until you hit upload, it's just in your phone. So you can practice all day long. Practice. You don't have to upload it. Shoot as many videos as possible. When you see one that you like, go ahead and upload it. But I want to tell you, when you shoot that first video, go ahead and upload it, man. Go ahead and let that go ahead and get the jitters out the way. All right? Go ahead and be ready for the feedback that you're going to get, whether positive or negative. All right? Feedback is feedback. All right? And it's still attention, and it's still eyeballs on your information. You just stay consistent. Don't worry about the noise. Stop worrying about how people are going to perceive you. Give value. All right? Give value. Create a lot of content, and you're going to be good to go, okay? So with that being said, man, I'm about to get out of here. I don't know if y'all can hear, but I got a 1-year-old in the back sounding off. So it's time for daddy duty, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.